How to replace the foot and calf massager on the Human Touch Quies massage chair. Be sure to keep all parts and keep track of where each screw is removed from for reassembly. Start by turning the power switch, located on the back of the chair, to off, then unplug the chair. Unzip the foot and calf massager upholstery, and then remove the foam insert. Remove the clips securing each side of the foot and calf massager to the posts by using a small flathead screwdriver to wedge it open, just enough to pull the clip off. Slightly lift and slide the foot and calf massager to one side, off of the post, then to the other side to remove the massager. Disconnect the air hose and connector. Place the new foot and calf massager into position and insert the connector and air hose, pushing firmly to secure. Then, insert each side onto the post, one at a time, and secure using the clips previously removed. Then, replace the foam insert and zip the foot and calf massager upholstery to the backrest pad.